My girl, JULIKA THIJSEN. Ew. Jules, well, bienvenido.
Thank you
Uh,
for having me.
it is my pleasure, girl. I'm excited. Que man. Jules, okay, ¿qué más fácil, Pablo? Inglés, pavimento.
Papiamento, mix
All
of
right.
both. Sí, mida papiamento.
Perfect. We'll do it both. Tú dos me has know what I can say.
Okay.
All right. So on this messy show, we normally start with the icebreaker. Okay. And they nang tabay mane from being very something so stupid pa something kuta mane. Ooh, wait, what? So bawaki ko bumis a pick because you picked this. Okay. If you could be a season, which would that be? You see?
That's an easy one for me. I love the one that I picked out. No, if I can be a season, definitely fall. I really love fall season.
Really?
Yes.
What about it do you love? Like Kiko.
Because the outfit changes to begin with, layering. That's the first
Come
one.
through fashion.
Secondly, I love the leaves to change colors. The sort of
Okay, yeah.
turn geel. This is like orange and red, and like it change inang. It's so nice.
It's
So,
like cozy. It's
yeah,
like
it's
really a cozy
cozy,
feeling. Like it's not
yes.
cold, but it's chilly
It's not
outside.
warm. It's not cold. You know, it's nice.
It's cute. Like,
Cute.
and you get to wear coats and stuff like that.
Exactly,
Like,
you know?
nobody gonna judge. Nobody gonna judge. All right. So before we get into like the full thing, okay, that was our icebreaker. I won't gots to ask, who is JULIKA THIJSEN?
Wow. Okay, that's a broad question.
Dame eso.
Who am I? Well, now, the Kiko, Kiko henta bisama if Kiko mitawadi mimes. They always tell me kumito hene hopi down to earth, mito hene hopi tranquilo, hopi suave. And I'm a person who napo talk with very easily, very openly.
That part.
See, dus mito hene ko gusta hopi outdoors as well. Amita achto hene lama. That's where my Zen area kuma kumisa walk but I'm to take for Zen
Girl,
sessions per week.
yo,
Like it's highly needed.
It is the best thing ever. I used to hate the beach, but I woke me the money. How dare you?
It's echt where you recharge.
It is
Ano ba,
crazy.
connect ko ba, back, see.
Crazy. So I get it now.
Happy you do.
I do.
Pero see, hard worker. Yes, itame un team player. I could definitely say
For
about
sure.
me.
For sure.
Professional side as well.
I think at some point it was kind of like to your default because like you used to, but that's such a team player. I feel like he take advantage of that at some point, certain times. I was like, that is not fair. No, Julika. You know me. You know me. I was up in there. No, Julika.
Back always. What do you mean back?
And I'm gonna keep having it too. Not Julie. Okay. Thank you.
I say that definitely me will be some challenge of a weakness kung por ting. Des orbo tene opi suave, opi nice, and you know you like to help people. Basta teamwork. Tingene po take that gonna be to their advantage. This is say that I'll go definitely as a professional. Basta when we say stay alert ko basta they don't overdo it. Basta don't overstepping my boundaries. Pero working together
at this
time.
point we already started the show, so let's just jump right into it. Okay, so so I came from that background. How do you differentiate when it's like a French like a cute little let me assist you, and when it's like, oh no, this is business, like this ki ora bota differentiate mane ki ora the situation ta mane you just helping out quick money, okay, it's whatever, like whatever, until somebody actually trying to take advantage the money. You know you need a book, you need to pay for this service. Like, why are you trying to like squeeze it in? Like, stop.
Yeah. Nou, kom met de differencia. Ja, sowieso si mi plate not op before. If my plate is kind of, what's in space, I help. Pero si mi ta bezig tawa, okay, a persona ki not overwhelmed of like opi biyaha, ja, botra un team, but mani, oh, if you did this or that, of una bota, dembo proceso,
Yeah.
of kiko falta, of I try to see the bigger scope and where this person lies, and kiko tur otro eting on its plate, basta. you kind of need to sa akin profesyon mo bako man see I'll help you like kung bibiyahe yes it say ito ba mas fácil pa mi unfortunately this could not take advantage pero it's kind of like you need to know din ki sitwasyon ba tayo momento anto and help si buta move forward helping or not and if not, si buta wa persona no ta trabajando efficiently and you can give like a tip on if you do this or that, basta you work smarter, not harder.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a kind of like differente situación, different.
Some word plays here and there. Yeah. I see what you did there. I see what you did. Mawaki pa sa ultimo A. I was like, okay, I get it. Say no more, fam. Let me give you the tip on how you can do it. I love it. That was very smart. Come on, I get it. Okay. Now, we need to talk about, you work as a creative director at Meliorate. So tell us more about what you do and what your job inquires.
Okay. See, ami junto con mi business partner, Rocio Burgos.
Awachio.
We have Meliorate branding boutique desde November 2020. So, I do the creative director part. This whenever it has to do with working with photographers, videographers, models, a creative direction of the video shoot or the photo shoot, or aesthetics of things or designs when it comes to branding, colors, all of that. A research part, how it's being executed with whom, all of that. A direction ko mito gusta work with.
Yeah, that's so you.
I'm happy and grateful to say kunos team ahay yung member Nobo. This
no way.
We're guiding her. Super nice. This
nice.
Kumane, okay, you're not alone in this, but I have fresh perspective tami the young creatives, and I love working with young creatives. Like hay yung fresh insight, fresh intake. Like si si yami algo, ami to mane, just tell me. You know, like I know nothing. You know, tell me all about it.
And the say me the sindi tamane like a downfall ko hopi hindi ta tuma di. I know better. I'm an OG. I've been here. Pero like, so we cannot be everywhere. Okay, man, if you can utilize whatever smaller eyes and ears you can get from the streets that bring all of, this is what's in right now. These color palettes of what everybody's using right now. Not this.
What's the hype right now?
That is what you need, and that's how you elevate. You stay relevant. Okay, man. I love Kubosta even using that, and I feel like more businesses in general need to take on these type of tactics because like
see younger generation, it's awesome. I really like working with them and creativity vooral, how they see things differently as well. They don't know ay verschil, pero like they have a different insight ko kung kubibing there's always one kunto bisa different truths. This doesn't matter the age, tampoco lost the essay.
Big facts.
Pero gaining more insight the otro hand, it's always a plus point for me. The more you know, the better.
That's big facts. That is big facts. Anto kikotan like buta sintita the next step for you. Like awo yaku, you had a next person on the team awoki. This now, what does that mean for your job?
Obviously, nos crece como an agency. Even though we are the reason why we have branding, branding boutique in our name. Boutique stands for it to be a smaller agency to focus more on quality and instead of the quantity. So we like to have a nice portfolio, like a small but nice heavy portfolio. Pero aside from my agency to continue growing, me to help as well, me to assist as project manager din kompanya ng di mi familia. We have different businesses, and I'm part of it as well in my family business together with my sister as well. She's my right hand.
Chantal. That's my Leo gang right there. Don't play. Leo gang. Okay. So ghetto. I need to stop.
No, continue.
I will not stop.
Thank you. See, I have that going on as well. It's like a family business. It's our legacy.
We're gonna get into that because like that is the whole tea on its own, baby. Okay, that is whole tea on its own. So, but we're gonna come back to that. Okay. Yeah. So, did you get a degree, and where did you go, and what did you major in?
My degree, me yung bachelor's degree, Macaba University Aruba. The Macaba Hospitality and Management, and Tourism Management and Business Management. So I say Macaba Kinang, and after that, mabay straight Ritz-Carlton, you can say.
Oh, you were direct, like fresh out of like.
No, entonces matraha na administrative office in between. Try to figure out
what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, and I'm like, okay, so me to buy the hotel, like, cause that's the next thing. I want to go to the best. Basta un luxury brand o takwakuta, you know, and that's the best one, you know. Better benefits and all of that. Obviously, but you could check it out. So yeah, after that, move a ding and to trabajando again with numbers and administration. And after that, mo akong opening the marketing. Mi sempre to hene, I love to be creative.
Verdad. Buna kumi.
With
the admin engineering, verdad.
To work with the
oh my
gentlemen.
God, verdad. I forgot about that.
And I work with finance as well. This is nang tami mahaya more insight.
Yeah.
You know how your finances has to be, you know, together.
Everything works together.
Like, what's that system? Hope people because I know down the line I'm gonna have my own businesses. I just need to take notes.
You better speak, girls, speak.
No, I try na I gotta take notes. This was acquired information for the future. So yeah, I started there and my marketing coordinator wow, I was like full ami.
This is
creative. You know, this is my field. Like, you know, like I'm gone for this.
This is it.
Yes. So, and yeah, I got it. So that's how I got into the sales and marketing department. Makumisa de marketing masinha so much dinge 2-3 anos
You got a lot handed to you.
We were only 2 people handling marketing department. Yeah, it was a nice learning opportunity and a lesson online of just experiences and traco handy a full it was super nice. Working with influencers from abroad.
The real influencers.
Nice.
You've actually worked with influencers.
Yes, of editors, magazine editors as well, of journalists, like writers.
Some of the big names, Forbes and all these big things. So it's like...
pick their brain or how
That's the point. Once you're in them spaces, utilize your space and your time.
Amen. Exactly.
Let's go. You know how when you get this opportunity again, Kim, man, what can I learn from you right now? Tell me everything I need to know. That's the name of the game. Pero I feel like, especialmente because of your experience doing sales and marketing, I personally feel like that gave you the taste of your own business, like right then and there. You've had deadlines, cool. We had to meet because I was in the spa those days.
I remember, kita walk in, in a desk, kita kinang ko sa file up. Kiko na sabi, assist shark with today.
Girl, I got a list. We got things to fix.
But I mean, Julie, stuck up a notebook. Pero walk like, what is this?
Oh my God. And I was trading for services. I was like, I got this new cleanser, girl.
Good time.
It's
good
a
times.
tester, pero you can have it. I'm sorry. Pero to me, that really sets you up like, yeah, what's up? Jules is ready for this.
See.
Like deadlines, and you have like a week for certain things. I was like,
busy days.
Jules, how are you going to do this?
Pero, basta que costa, what I've learned there, inota abo so, no? It's a team of people. Like, ihene ko buting ba ni bobo kolega nang, like, they're so important. Because it wasn't only me. Like, ora meeting ko last minute things, mane meeting ko put together, hene di different departments, able to help me. And because, like, I feel, basta sempre matrata turhene igual, iturhene super suave, i-help uno people help. Like, you know, give the love. But some expect the love return tamid when it comes to teamwork. So, I say, ayuda mi hope itrata basta hene nang ronti basta like nicely, respectfully. And when ora bota asina kiko deadlines of uno sa kumsa ka bukurpa, nanta ayuda basta ka bukurpa. It's not only fully you. This very important part como assim, definitely.
But we did some kick
events.
We did some
the Pride event.
The Pride event. That was crazy also. Yeah, with the whole oh my gosh. Pero we made it to the newspaper.
Yes, we did.
We did, okay? So don't play, guys. I'm telling y'all better go check out Amelia Ray Brandon because like these girls, they don't play. They are the real deal. The real deal. I'm not even playing with y'all, like for real. Y'all know I don't lie. I never lied. I'm not starting to lie either no time soon. Okay? I say it how it is. So that's just that. Okay, so let's move on a little bit further to like your upbringing. Let's take it back a little bit. What was your upbringing like? Háblame un poquito, because like you and Chantal are very different. We're going to get to that. We are opposite.
Pero Yeah, malanta pariba. Sa paneta. Pero sí, no, mi alanta de un household, hopi disciplinado. There's a lot of discipline in the household. Hopi strict parents. And
Both sides?
both sides, yes.
Stop.
Yeah, it's very strict. Pero at the same time, yeah, hopi hardworking parents. This is eta one eta stem off.
Yeah.
Y voral, so yeah, they're hard workers. Pero tami mi tata still un business man. So eta ding, etong comerciante. This I've learned a lot through him, the work ethics of
Him, I've heard of him. I've heard
Yes.
like a lot of good stuff. Like
yeah, a lot of people know him.
he's on it, pero if you in with him. Like
yeah. Pero na, so ikiko ta nice growing up ta like ora bopo experience the household when parents want to move forward in a career. When they level up, like I've seen all the hard work. I've
Yeah.
seen basta como un pareha like parents of como mane mayor nang how si mi se think back how it works, a dynamic pa, move by dilante, move forward to grow together, So that I've experienced this pretty much was that a growth inang? Was that coming from a very humbled background and then you see the growth and una bopoyega through hard work and sacrifice? That's how pretty much me background experienced that.
nice.
Yeah,
nice,
just hard
nice.
work hard. Just was that don't have any fear, just run with it until
Make it work.
See, make it work. Push on, to but yega, but you just set your mind to it, have a vision, you just trapa.
Oh, Sigungbo, because you said basinha basta di botata. Mama kumza pero full chill cam basinha fuck you di botata. Pero okay, so basinha basta di botata. Kiko bolo bisa ta one of the like undi tip nang of those sayings of algo ku ilayigi bisabo of like a piece of advice ku ilayigi dunabo who had the biggest impact on your life.
Piece of advice. Hoe weet, ja. Het een parent, kunt het mane, een tape recorder, kunt het gewoon kita repeat it.
Let's
so
go.
it's a lot of things. Pero, único tan stick with me forever, tata ite di always like it's a biseta man. You have to treat everybody equally. Like
Amen.
doesn't matter. But so yeah, he came from nothing to something. Until
okay,
so,
yeah.
But I experienced different things in through life.
Yeah.
Un costa kubununko bodi kulubida where you come from. And to sempre se queda suave, stay humble.
Stay
Trata
humble.
todo gente exactly the same. Doesn't matter where you come from. Yeah, so one of the advices na única coisa que sempre tata bisa nos, until which mitahaya, yes, you have to. It's a very important rule to follow.
Nah.
Not to follow, but to genuinely be in.
Just be in it.
Yeah.
That's like a element of life that you just have to embody.
Yeah.
It's just that.
Doesn't
Just be
matter.
kind. It costs absolutely nothing. Okay, bono by muri si butav leave ko henda guys. Just FYI, like bono by muri.
But
Okay.
no overstepping your boundaries.
Don't
either.
overstep the boundaries either. Let's go. Don't be a ussy. Okay, at a P in front. Okay.
Exactly.
Pero let me just be sa butata unkos vavab. Okay, you did your bossa hasing bong trabaho. So both girls are very humble, very respectful. Okay, just let me just give you that real quick. Y'all did what you needed to do.
Mami, mami, tami, mi mama.
Shout out, shout out, shout them out, shout them out.
Mami.
Okay, so you came from strict parents, okay?
Yeah.
That gave them two completely different daughters. Let's talk about it.
Yeah. Okay, I do believe orbutin in siblings. Yeah, no sa dos rumangso. Pero like I believe two siblings are different. You can
100%.
were raised in the same household. We were raised with both parents, mother and father. Ting oras at a young. There's like and no sa go through like was that kung ko pa being there's certain experiences na din bida ko amit at indifferent of virumant indifferent.
Of course.
Pero we may physically look the complete opposite and character wise tambi full like personality wise full opposite. Pero ting hopi ko ta overlap si tak ami ko mirumang.
Certain standards, like you were raised the same way. There's certain standards to make kieda.
It's values on the kieda, standards on the kieda are the same. Pero no está balance sa otro hopi bong kasi where I'm weak in, she's strong, and where she's strong, I'm weak. Like vice versa.
And that we say that's why mitahanya was so balanced, so interesting for sobra. It's like, wait, that's say the mang di what?
Everybody reacts the same.
Everybody. I've seen every single person. Tamane, guarda, boss, tarum abliv.
Yeah.
And first, okay, guys, so y'all see JULIKA right now, okay? Chantal is a rock star. Like, don't play with her at all. She is like supposed to like the nicest people ever. I don't understand. Like I would expect y'all to just like a little bit of like give me a little bit of itch, you know. Pero like none of that. Like Chantal, the like the most full suave. She's like, "Boting hamburger, treat bot. Okay, like let's go. Like whatever. Let's have fun in the process."
Yes,
that is her. And the outfit just give me the vibes of like. You need help? Let's go. I got you. Like, let's make it work. Kiko nos pasa después. Okay. Okay, let's help these people too. And it's just always like give back and a help kubos. Just mane. Y'all ain't mean like not our aunts. You know, but I love it. I love it.
Pero like, denk je Dios op je de test nos. When they do try, you need to
I guess they make it hard. Oh my God, guys. Y'all heard it here first. Don't say nada, okay? But babies, listen, we're going to go on a quick little music break because it's about that time. We've been talking for quite some time now and our throats are dried. Okay, man. We are going to come right back. So babies, keep it locked. Stay right here. This is the Periodico show. I am Shargari Dimbabario. I don't even know what this next song is, but I'm going to just play it just because we got to go on a music break, okay? So babies, don't go nowhere. We'll be right back. Ew.